What's up, YouTube? It's Pride Mama Johnson, and I'm back with another video. Today's just gonna be a day in our life on a Monday when the kids have no school. I think today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So yeah, Josiah's home today. He stayed with my mom last night and he got back this morning. The kids are now eating pizza and chips. Josiah's having yogurt. Houston is having his applesauce. I'm going to take them across the street to the park for about an hour, maybe 30 minutes because it's a little cold outside, but I do want them to just get out, get some fresh air and burn some energy because I cleaned my house this morning and these kids have been all over the place and I do not want my house to get dirty so fast. I just cleaned it and it's going to be a vlog on that. But yeah, after they get done eating, take them to the park. Then we come back, give them a bath, and we're just gonna chill. And yeah, you guys will spend the day with us. So we'll see you guys later. Kingston. Alright, y'all, we are outside. Can you get over here? No, get over here. Look, look at the person. Hey. Why are you throwing your car? You want to swing, Kingston? Come here. My kids want to do everything but play on the playground equipment. Josiah, don't throw that in the water. No. You gonna go again? You gonna go again? Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay. What? Should have brought your hat outside because your hood won't stay on. Alright, y'all. So we just got back from the park. I'm about to run the kids water. They actually ate before we went to the park. So now we're just about to get a bath. And hopefully they'll take a nap after this. Alright, so I'm about to get the boys clothes out for the rest of the evening. They won't be going out anymore, so let me go and get that. So I got Kingston clothes out. Let me go get his brothers. Alright, so the kiddos are bathing. After they get done, yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna put on a movie for them or whatever. They can chill out, and I'm gonna get me a bath or a shower. So yeah, just a random vlog. Let's see what the rest of the day has in store. So the boys have had their bath. Put this light on. The boys have had their baths. They're just watching some TV. And I'm about to take my bath in a minute. I'm going to put my ribs on first. Put my ribs on, you guys, because I'm making ribs today. I already washed them. And then it was a huge slab, so I just cut it in half. So I have some extras for another day. And I have these for tonight. Yeah, so I washed my hands, I cleaned my meat off, I dried it. So now I'm about to add my mustard and my seasonings. halfway to the meat's done, I'll start on my sides. I think I want a baked potato with a little salad on the side. Kingston just woke up, guys. King, you gonna say hi? Come here. You gonna say hi? Your brother woke you up. King was in there taking a nap, and Josiah probably woke him up most likely. And then Josiah will be asleep pretty soon, and King will still be up. That's usually how it goes with my kids. When one falls asleep, the other one is woke, and it's just a cycle. Hey, Joe. You wanna say hi? Say hi. I think Kingston's still a little sleepy. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to give them a snack, put a movie on for them. I'm gonna give me a little bath, and then probably do some flashcards with Josiah for a few minutes. And once I'm done doing all that, the food should be halfway done, and I'll come back and show you guys my sides. So I'm showing the kids this Martin Luther King Jr. Little dedication cartoon. What's wrong? Watch Martin Luther King. Look, Josiah, look at him. Who is that? Say Martin. Just a little history lesson for my babies. Ribs smell so good, so I'm about to check on them. We're gonna clean these potatoes, scrub them, brush them down with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and put them in the oven. So we can see you. Say hi. Alright, you guys, so here's my food. I got the baked potato with the cheese, the butter, the sour cream, salt and pepper. I got a salad with tomato, cucumber, and eggs, and the barbecue ribs. You goofy. Yeah, he eating the food with me. And he left. What's funny? Salad? Yeah, this baby eats anything. I never seen a baby eat salad. I just changed Kingston diaper, and they're about to get ready to go to sleep because mommy's tired and they're tired. They didn't even take a nap today after the party. So I'm about to lay them down. Right, so the boys are getting ready to go to sleep. Give me that. They're getting ready to go to sleep. And got their little night light on. The TV is coming off in about 15 more minutes. I'm gonna do these quick dishes, and after that I'm cutting the TV off. Alright, y'all, so me and the boys about to go to bed. Josiah's already asleep, and Kingston is here playing, but I'm about to put him to sleep next because I'm really tired. So we about to go to sleep. Can you say bye? Say bye. Good morning, y'all. It's the next morning, and Josiah's about to go to school. Get up. Got him this little good guy sweater off Shein. Come here. So yeah, just have to brush his hair up now and oil him down. And I'm about to give him some breakfast. I'm about to clean out this refrigerator. It needs to be cleaned out. So yeah, let me clean this refrigerator out real quick while Kingston is still asleep. I need another drawer, but I haven't had one for a few months, and I told maintenance they still haven't came and gave me one, so I don't care. So I put the eggs in this little egg holder I got from Dollar Tree. Clean both sides. We need some groceries, y'all. But yeah, we just mainly need fruit. So right now I am decluttering this shelf. I went through like old perfumes and lotions and stuff we didn't use, threw it away. Kingston just woke up. Baby perfume, baby cologne. I used these when Josiah was born, and I still have them. So I actually have 3. Recently started back using them, and I just put it in the boys' bath water along with their little boat bath. So I'm gonna keep these actually. Josiah is back home from school. Kingston is here playing with me. And I'm just watching them. I just put the dinner on. Chicken, vegetable medley, and long grain rice tonight. Yeah, that's for dinner. Now, I'm about to just hang out with my kids. We did get some snow earlier today, but it melted pretty fast. I mean, it was about 4 hours of snow falling, but now it's gone. So that's the food, y'all. Chicken, veggies, and rice. I'm about to eat. All right, y'all. So me and the kids are about to watch some TV. We just got done eating, so I just wanted to come in the vlog. Go Kingston. Say bye-bye. Kingston, say bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment in the comment section. We will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.